Welcome to overview of Chronomarcel electromagnetic flow meters, its principle, how to installations. I'm going to show the details overview. Chronomarcel basically German company made in India. Its working principle is an electrically conductive fluid flow inside a electrical insulated pipe through a magnetic field. This magnetic field is generated by a current flowing through a pair of coils, and inside the fluids a voltage is generated. This signal voltage is picked up by electrodes and which is directly proportional to mean flow velocities and thus flow rates. A signal converter used to amplify and filter it and recording purpose and sent to the process instrumentation system. Here Chronomarcel's element flow elements model is IFS 4000, size DN80, coil resistance 112 ohms. You are seeing the top overview of flow elements. There are few terminals here. 7-8 used for coil drive purpose, 3 to 1 used for electrode signal purpose. You are seeing the top overview of the flow elements. There are several TV terminals. According to diagram of terminal details, you have to connect. It is a simple connections. Now you are seeing the circle part, how electrode mounted in insulated pipe. You are seeing we have a new flow elements, so I can able to show the electrode how mounted inside the pipe in insulated pipe. Also we have a slide, you can understand the magnetic field generated and parallelly electrodes mounted. When electrical conductive fluid flow inside the pipe, at that time voltage generated, that voltage picked up by electrodes, which is that voltage directly proportional to depend upon the velocity of fluids. Now we are seeing the flow elements overview. It is this kind of instrument used in industrial purpose where electrically conductive fluids flow. This is the electronics parts. It's electronics parts with display. It's give the output 4 to 20 milliamps. Its model IFC 011. Its coil resistance 102 ohms. It needs power 230 voltage for power on this electronic circuit. Its operating range 80 meter cube per hour. Here TV details 78321. All terminal will be connected. Flow element side 7-8 coil drive purpose, 3 to 1 electrode signal purpose, I plus minus current output signals. It gives 4 to 20 milliamps and power supply required for power on this device. Some condition have to follow in mounting process. In this line, if the pump is present, after pump this kind of flow element should be mounted. In the T section also slide is there. According to pattern you have to mount this flow element. There are few conditions. Again, open feed discharge and bending pipes. You are seeing this slide. According to this way you have to mounting process you have to follow. Also the vacuum force you are sliding there. According to sliding way you have to maintain the mounting process. Two slide is there, one cross. Cross means this is not satisfied the mounting process conditions. In case of control valve in line, before the control valve this kind of flow element should be mounted. inlet outlet situations, the distance must be required 1 and 2. The flow elements should be mounted according to distance wise. You are seeing that this is the conditions, and also in the bending purpose, in the bending situation also you are seeing the slide. So according to this way you can mount these flow elements. This is the briefly and basic knowledge of the flow element mounting process. You are seeing the top overview of electronics part, and whenever you are going to electromagnetic flow meter, some installation conditions you have to follow. Vibrations and magnetic field plays this kind of installations, flow element installations should be avoided, because in that place this kind of flow elements cannot perform accuracy, repeatability properly. So vibration and magnetic field plays, you don't use this kind of flow elements. You are seeing the top overview of flow elements, its overview of flow elements, and also parallelly electronics parts, chronomer cells. Also you can see the transmitter. We cover up all flow elements and electronics parts parallelly. Electronics parts, flow elements parallelly you are seeing. Thank you for our video for watching. If you not subscribe my video, please subscribe for next upcoming video notifications. I hope all friends you are healthy in situation. In COVID situation you safe in house and maintain the distance. This is our request from my channel. Thank you friend. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.